Cheech, my man, I have a feeling I'm going to need to share that with you. Just out here to make a couple of test passes, maybe a little bit more. It's been garbage all day, so we're just going to take this Vigilante out for a rip. Hopefully we're not going to have any issues. Made some minor modifications, and hopefully these modifications are what was needed for my truck. My truck is obviously having a pinion to ring gear issue in the back. Front is mint, center diff is fine. Rear gear, the pinion, is chipped on the bottom all the way around. We'll see if this is going to work. My only other last resort is to shim that pinion out and away from the bearing surface. If this works, I'll go into explaining what I did and what I came across. And that's why I'm saying, man, the whole TikTok thing, yeah, I know. Some people are afraid of TikTok or whatever. I ain't afraid of nothing, so whatever. If you don't want to see the extended cuts are, I hate to say it, available on TikTok because YouTube won't allow extended, like, conversations. They give you 3 minutes. That's lame. So, yeah. So here we go. I'm not even gonna button my shoes. I'm not gonna tie them. So, remote on. Hopefully this is it, dude. I'm gonna be disappointed if it's not. I'm gonna wait until that dog goes by. So, hopefully this is gonna be faced all right. Yeah, I think so. Dog's obviously interested. Can still hear it. Yep, can still hear it. It's definitely tighter. Skipping less. Maybe not. Nah, it's still skipping, dude. Now, garbage, dude. Well, that's kind of all it took. I was hoping that the modifications that I made were going to be enough to kind of keep things together. Nothing is cracked, nothing is broken. I added longer screws to bite more threads and grab, because what I noticed with this thing was that there was flex. And when the rear end gets some flex is when that pinion likes to kind of like rock out of place. So yeah, garbage, man. Total garbage, dude. This sucks. I am gonna have to throw in the new gears, dude. This is gonna be what, the third set of gears now? Factory original. Yeah, this is gonna be the third set of gears. Are you sure about that? No, it's going to be the fourth set of gears. What am I talking about? I'm forgetting about the originals. Factory original 1. Replacement. Blew them immediately as soon as I threw them in. Next set of gears, replacement. These ones, blew them basically as soon as I put them in. I've got like, I think 2 more sets of gears to toss into this thing, man. They aren't the CNC ones, but I shouldn't have to run the CNC ones, dude. This is a factory stock truck. The only thing that's different over stock is obviously the front and rear bumper brace things, crash support bars, whatever you want to call those, bumper supports, and then my riser. But my riser is not affecting initially what I was thinking. My riser is not affecting that. I measured everything, everything's meant. Bolted everything together, I was getting no flex, dude. So under this pressure, it's obviously enough to, basically what it's doing is it's taking that pinion and pushing it in towards the chassis, is what I'm seeing. It's got nothing to do with the fact that every tooth is chipped on that pinion gear. Ring gear was meant, I don't know what to do, dude. This is going to be the fourth set of gears. Not cool. Definitely not. I'm not happy about it. So the modifications that I did were point blank a waste of time. Stiffened things up, it bit more threads, but when it means absolutely garbage, man, that's garbage, man. It doesn't matter. It was basically a complete waste of time. So, gotta figure out why it's doing that. 1521 shims will definitely help. So, that's gonna be my next course of action. If you don't know what 1521 shims are, 15's ID, 21's OD. It's the perfect size shim to fit onto the back side of the pinion, front side of the pinion, whatever you want to call it. It's the shaft part of the pinion. So 1521, I'll leave a link in the description. So anyways, RC Guy Garage, and this was yet another disappointing drive. Dude, another disappointing drive with this truck, man. I don't know, man. Regardless, I still like the truck. Is it because it's a truck? Stupidly, probably, yeah. What the hell, dude? So sick of pulling this thing apart. Because each time I pull it apart, man, I'm like pulling it apart and cleaning. I hate cleaning. So, there's your YouTube update for... dude, just a waste of time. That's one of the things I hate, wasting time.